I don't recognize these faces in these pictures in my phone. If I can only remember where I ended up last night.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I have got another hair tutorial video for you guys, and I will be showing you how to create 3 hairstyles that are super cute for a wedding. So I went to a wedding a few weekends ago and a lot of you commented on the picture I posted on my Instagram of my outfit, which was actually this dress from ASOS. It is sold out now, which is really annoying. I think a lot of you might have bought it from me wearing it because it was only 23 quid in the sale. It was a bargain. But yeah, I wore this outfit. I had my hair literally exactly the same as this, and you guys were like, how did you do your hair? So I thought I would film this hair tutorial that I wore on that wedding day, and I have had other weddings to go to and I've got so many next year, so I thought I would film 3 hair tutorials for ideas on what you can wear as a wedding guest, day, evening, whatever. They are really cute for a wedding. So yeah, they're super easy to create. They're quite messy. I don't think you'd be able to achieve exactly how this looks because it's a lot of just twisting and hair gripping into place, but I think it's just a hairstyle that you can just play around with. It might take a while to do, but it does look really nice for a wedding. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the 3 tutorials I'm going to be showing you in this video, so let's go.
I don't recognize these faces in these pictures in my phone. If I can only remember where I ended up last night. But this apartment feels so empty when you're drinking on your own. Isn't this what I always wanted? Then why do I feel so haunted by those same faces running through my brain? And I wish I could go back, but I can't just jump in a time machine. So I'll smoke my weed and then I'll just pour one out for my old friends. Keep an eye on the weekends. I know we don't keep in touch like we used to, but I keep making these new friends. Why do I try to impress them? Is it 'cause I'm afraid that I'm still just like my old friends? Old friends. And if I am, what's so wrong with being just like my old friends? Old friends. Sometimes I drink my feelings till I'm passed out on the floor. It wasn't too long ago we were laughing through the night, but this bed can feel so empty when you're sleeping on your own. I should be perfectly happy, so please tell me what is happening. But these same faces running through my brain, and I wish I could go back, but it's been too long and the weeds are gone. So I'll smoke this rose and then I'll just pour one out for my old friends. Keep an eye on the weekends. I know we don't keep in touch like we used to, but I keep making these new friends. Why do I try to impress them? Is it 'cause I'm afraid that I'm still? I remember when we stayed out late, told my mom that we'd be home by 8. Then we made a bunch of dumb mistakes, but I wouldn't trade it. When we stayed out late, I remember told my mom that we'd be home by 8. Then we made a bunch of dumb mistakes, but I wouldn't trade it. Just pour one out for my old friends. Keep an eye on the weekends. I know we don't keep in touch like we used to, but I keep making these new friends. Why do I try to impress them? Is it 'cause I'm afraid that I'm still just like my old friends? Old friends. If I am, what's so wrong with being just like my old friends? Old friends. Old friends.
that was it. What did you guys think of the hair tutorials? What was your favourite? Was it 1, 2 or 3? Please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I've popped links below to the products that I've used. As I said again, like, because they're quite like messy hair tutorials, they will be hard to recreate to look exactly the same, but you kind of get the gist of what you can do. And there's various ways that you can do the messy bun thing at the back that I've done. You could get one of those donuts and do like a really kind of sleek look. I've gone for messy just because that's the kind of look I prefer. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please just give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.